Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate you guys. So Zane's birthday is coming, right? It's going to be two. My baby of yesterday will be 2 years old. Hey God, like where is all the time flying to? So I'm planning his birthday, DIY birthday, and I've ordered some things. They just arrived. I've been ordering them bit by bit. You guys, do you order your things if you have an occasion, an event coming? Do you order bit by bit, or you just wait and maybe like 2 days to the event, you just go to the shop or to the store, to the mall, anywhere, just go and pick everything at the same time, or you do them bit by bit? Let me know how you organize your DIY birthdays, your DIY get-togethers and all of that. So let me show you guys what have arrived so far. I have this one. I've opened this one actually, so I know what is inside.
Mommy.
Okay, this is for Zoe. Zoe's birthday is January, but like I said, bit by bit. Yes. Zane is just distracting me because it's going to be 2 in a few days. Hi guys. This is for Zoe. These are like thank you stickers, like thank you for coming to my birthday. This is it. She'll put them on her party pack. I ordered 2 packs. That's, I think, for 30 people or so. Yeah, so this is 15. This is Zane's one. I opened it already. He's going to have like a football team. His cake is going to be football and some football things. So this is it as well. Thank you for coming for my birthday. Love, Zane. Then these are like for 50 children. Then this one I've opened. Okay, this one is not for his birthday. This is for an event. Guys, I have 2 events this weekend, a baby shower and for another program. So I'm catering for both of them. These are like non-grease envelopes, so I have 500 pieces, guys. This weekend the Lord is my friend. So this is not part of it. These are files for small chops, guys. For Zane's birthday, I'm not cooking. No. This is going to be like the first birthday I'll do without jollof rice. Yes, I'm not ready for all that stress this time around. So we're making small chops, candy packs, drinks, cake and all of that. No rice. So I got this for the small chops. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, 7 packs, and there are 8 per pack, 8 pieces per pack. Then this large foil tray, these are for the part of the trays for the event. I have some already. I just bought these 2. And then guys, I opened this one. Oh, see, this is my son's birthday wear. I got it from M&S Kids. Here, see, this cold, I ordered his shoes as well. They are coming. This cold is not allowing me see road at all to go out. I do my shopping online. No, that's why most of these things came delivered. I've not gone out to buy anything. I beg, the cold is too much. Let me know how you are coping. Those of you in the UK, cold regions, North America, please tell me, how do you cope during this winter season? This is my second winter actually, but this year is colder than last year. Like, to think they had me. So this, I really like it. I can't wait for him to rock it. And I chose this color. I feel it to go well on his skin. Then this one, there's the, what's it called, this small jacket, waistcoat, yeah, waistcoat and the shirt. the inner shirt, and then this is the cute little waistcoat, and it's for 30 bucks. I know what this is. I know what this is. Even though it's wrapped in this snack box, I know what it is. It's, see, yeah. Okay, these are bottles for Zobo. Oh my god, see, they are so cute bottles for my Zen. I have 50 pieces inside this box. Wow. I can already imagine how the party pack will look like. My boy is gonna be two. You people that have kids, so I usually as excited as I am because of my children's birthday. I try to go all out, so I'm usually very excited. This is Zane's second birthday, but Zoe's birthday every year I try to put in effort. Are you like me? Or you don't just send your kids birthday? For my birthday I don't even care, but my kids, they must celebrate too. At least cake, they must cut cake. Then I have this pack of chocolate. I'm not sure how many is inside. It's a lot though. I didn't see where they wrote how many is inside, but it's quite a lot, and I have 2 of them, so maybe like 100 pieces, I don't know, or 80, but it looks like 50 per pack. Then I have this box of candies. Like I said, it's going to be a DIY party, so I've ordered for the cone bags where these candies will be. I have yellow color, I have blue and pink, I have pink, blue and white. It's going to be really colorful. So this is what I have so far. The remaining things are still coming. The shoes, the bags. We're going to put the items in. What else? I ordered almost everything online, and they'll be delivering bit by bit. At least before the event, the items would have come. This parcel, another parcel just arrived from Amazon. See, these are puppets that will be inside the party pack. Like key rings, puppets. These are the chains. Then this is the candy bag. Candy cone. Wow, this is multicolor. I thought it was going to come in just one color. Anyway, so this is where the candies will be. Then shoes have arrived. Yay! My son gonna look good, super good. Oh my god, I love them. Clarks, so solid. To see your shoes. See your shoes. Are you happy? You like them? See Zen shoes. Hey, see, he's happy.
Wow.
Shoes.
Yes.
You guys, Zen's birthday. Should I say party? I don't even know. Celebration, Sha, is tomorrow. I'm doing it in the church. So I'm just boiling zobo. We're about to start packing the candies, and all hands are about to be on deck. Let me show you guys the zobo. So this just finished boiling. This one is a bit cold. And this one is boiling already. Let me just put it off. Yes, once everything is cold, I will come and pack them in small bags. It smells nice though. So we'll do this. Whoa, Zane's 2 has arrived. This boy wants to spoil it before tomorrow. Hey God. See. His daddy just went to collect it from him. Why do we have bottled up my Zobo? If tiredness was a person, it would be me. Hello guys. Oh, it's been 2 days after Zane's birthday celebration. Not his birthday, proper birthday. The celebration that we did in the church. It's been 2 days. It was beautiful. I didn't take pictures. See, the chops I made, I didn't even video it. The party packs, after packing everything in church, I couldn't even video it. Like, everything was just, will I say, chaotic. It was so chaotic. And that day we had our songs given in church, so everything was just everywhere. When it was time to take pictures, children teachers, now they try you. Like I said, everything was, maybe I would say, chaotic. So I forgot to do a lot of things. The children are just rushing to cut the cake, wanting to take their party pack. Ooh. But indeed, it was a success. Zane had fun, the kids had fun. That was my priority anyway, and I achieved it. So I videoed the cutting of the cake. I took pictures, but I didn't have video clips for the small chops and the party packs. It was so beautiful. After packing everything together, it came out really, really nice. But I couldn't video it because everything was all over the place. But for Zane's cutting of the cake, I have the videos, I have pictures, but I can't put them because of privacy. God be the glory. My son is two. People should wish Zane happy birthday in the comment section. Oh, lest I forget, how are you praying for Christmas? The energy for me at the beginning of December, it was 101. All of a sudden, yes, I don't just understand where my energy went to again. How are you guys preparing for Christmas? I don't know if it's because of the weather. See the way I pack up, but I just came back from somewhere and I decided to edit the vlog, and I remember that I haven't closed the vlog. So see you in my next video. Remain blessed and Merry Christmas. Enjoy your Christmas, everyone.